Hello everybody, so in this video we're going to be taking a look at randomizing a spawn location for an object. So in this case it's going to be a kind of blueprint that I'm going to be having as a placeholder for an enemy. Let's create that blueprint here. It's going to be an actor. Let's call it enemy. And then going inside of it for right now, I'm going to add component and just make it a sphere. So if I were to take this and throw it into the scene, you can see that I have a sphere. In this case, we don't want to throw it in here because it's going to be spawned by the blueprint that we're creating. So how do we do that? Let me clear this out right here. I was doing some research beforehand. But here we can go and search target point, and then we're going to put that into the scene. I'm going to hold down the Alt key and drag. That'll make a copy of that target point, and I'm going to create another one here. So I have 3 separate target points that I can get information from. Now, for the script that we're going to be building, it's going to be level specific, so we have to go to blueprints up here. Blueprint, open level blueprint. And then we have here, you may have some nodes. I was deleting it because I was doing a test file here. But if you do or you don't, either way, we need to do an event begin play. So that is what we're going to be using to trigger our script, and what we're going to be triggering is a spawn actor from class, and then we want to tell it which actor we want to spawn. So over here where it says class, we can click here and then we can type in enemy. We have enemy right here. There we go. So we can spawn that. Now we have to tell it where we want it to spawn from. So we have these 3 target points. We want it to choose one of these 3 points. We can drag those into the spawn points here, or into our blueprint level blueprint script. I just compiled it, but it's giving me an error because I haven't connected all of this. It needs more information in order for it to run. So obviously we're not going to try to spawn it in all 3 of these locations. We need it to choose one of these. So first what we want to do is we want to create an array. And we're going to say make array. So I'm going to drag the first one in here. Then I need more pins, so I'm going to add 2 more pins because I have 2 more objects here. But if you had more, you can add more here. Okay. Then with the array, we need to make sure that we can get one of the array elements in here. So we need to go over here and tell it get a copy. So we're going to get a copy of one of these 3 target points. Now we need to tell it which one. So over here we can tell it specifically 0, 1, 2, but if we want it to be randomly created, we can click over here and do a integer random in range. Random integer in range. And then the range is going to be from 0 to 2, because that's how many elements we have. So we can go here and type in the 2. Okay, so now that we have that, we have to get the transform information for this from the point that we chose. So we can drag this out and then say get, I think it's actor get actor transform. So it's going to get it from whatever that target is, and then we can drag the return value to the spawn transform there. Let's try to compile this, see if we get any errors. We don't have any errors now. And then I am going to go in here, and then let's play this. And you can see that it spawned it in the center here. Let's stop, play again. This time it spawned it on the right hand side. And each time we spawn it, it will be in a different location. Okay, so I hope you guys find this useful. We'll see you guys in the next video.